In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Minitab Express to find normal probabilities. We're going to do this homework problem as an example. It says an expensive watch is powered by a 3-volt lithium battery, expected to last 3 years. Suppose the life of the battery has a standard deviation of 0.3 year and is normally distributed. Determine the probability that the watch's battery will last longer than 3.4 years. So we're going to go to Minitab and go to Probability, Distribution Plot, and Display Probability. I'm going to enter my mean and standard deviation. This is already set to normal, so I can leave that as it is. Looking at the problem, it says that the battery is expected to last 3 years. That's an expected value, or in other words, the mean, and the standard deviation is 0.3 year. Now looking at my question, they're asking me to determine the probability that the battery will last longer than 3.4 years. So 3.4 is the x value. I'm going to select a specified x value and enter 3.4 in the box. And the question said, what is the probability that the battery will last longer than 3.4 years? So that's going to be a right tail because larger x values are on the right. Click OK. And I can find my answer above the red shaded area of the bell curve. In this case, it would be 0.0912. Looking at part C, compute the length of life value for which 25% of the watch's batteries last longer. When I do that problem, I'm going to do the same thing, probability, distribution plot, and display probability, and enter the mean and standard deviation. However, for this problem, I'm going to leave it on a specified probability because they are giving me the probability in this case. The probability is 25%. I want to know the x value for which 25% of the batteries last longer. So I would leave this on right tail because lasting longer would be x values to the right, and enter my probability of 0.25. Convert the percentage to a decimal. Then I click OK. And this time, the 25% is what is above the red shaded area on the graph. To find my answer, I look on the x-axis. And so this is going to be my answer of 3.2.